If you're seeing the Microsoft Word error that says reference source not found, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a few quick ways to fix it and get your document back to normal. This usually happens when Word can't find a linked reference, and it can show up after an update, when fields don't refresh properly, or when a source has been moved or changed. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it in just a couple of steps without rebuilding your document from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, if you just noticed the error after making an update, try pressing Ctrl+Z immediately. That will undo the last change and may restore the previous text before the reference broke. This is the fastest fix to try because sometimes the problem is caused by a recent edit rather than a deeper document issue. If that does not solve it, the next step is to refresh the fields in the document. To do that, press Ctrl+A to select the entire document. This highlights everything in the file, including the broken reference fields. Then press F9 to update all links and fields at once. In many cases, Word will recheck the reference and replace the error with the correct information. If the document updates properly, you may see the missing reference return right away, but if nothing changes, the fields may be locked, and that can stop Word from refreshing them. In that case, press Ctrl+Shift+F11 to unlock the fields. After that, try pressing F and 9 again to force another update. This is a really useful step because locked fields can prevent Word from correcting the reference, even if the source still exists somewhere in the document. If the error clears after unlocking and refreshing, then you're all set. If it still remains, you may need to check whether the source reference was deleted, renamed, or moved. In that situation, go through the document and look for the missing bookmark, caption, or cross-reference that Word is trying to call up. Once the source is restored or the reference is repaired, the error should disappear. So to recap, the quickest fix is to undo with Ctrl+Z, then refresh the document with Ctrl+A and F9, and if needed, unlock the fields with Ctrl+Shift+F11 before updating again. These simple steps solve the issue for many Word users and can save you a lot of time. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Word troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.